Last 8. And step back, stretch 16 counts. Give it a long time, stretch. Hold there. Hold there. And up, change your leg, R size, 16 counts. Stretch heel, push down heel. And finish it down. Okay, we'll do a rhythm again, okay? So this time we change. No more bar, because I see somebody pushing the bar. Okay? So listen to me. Okay? So we do 16 both leg. But when you do the one leg, we do 8 times only. With play and slow as well. 1 up 2, 3 up 4. Okay? So no bar. You do 8 of them and then 8 of them. You gotta use your stomach, use your tailbone. Okay? So 16, 1 count each, 16 on both legs. 2 count each with play on one leg and then another leg. Let's see. Okay, you gotta use your stomach, okay? Be strong. Okay. And ready up. Good. And 8 more. We'll do one leg and make arm up, open. Okay, give you a balance. Go, play, up, play, up, play, up. Yes. Go up, 4 more. Are you stomach? Go. Are you? Okay, other side. 8 times. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, stomach 5, up, almost 6, up, stomach 7. Are you? And up. 8. Oh yeah, finish. Okay, stretch. Okay, go back and bar, stretch it. Okay, stretch here. Stretch here. Yes. Okay, done, finished. Okay guys, right now we just do nice control, okay? So, each direction is 16 counts. You definitely pay out, just stay there 16 counts. Okay, 1 out 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I give you a break. Chin leg back. Okay? And then chin leg to the side. So, front, chin leg back, chin leg to the side, each direction 16 counts. Be strong. Point your toes, straight your knee. I need to build up your muscle for your adagio later. Okay? Ready, girls? Okay. We go slow. Passe, front, stay. Point your toes, straight your knee. Hold there, don't drop. 8 more counts, stay. When you feel tired, that's the most important time. Stay. Almost, stay. Right now down. Do the back leg, go. 1. Don't lift up stomach too much. Yes. Hold there. Cross back a little. Eight more. Good. Stay. Almost. Last one. To the side. Passe. To the side. Stay there. Don't lean back. Don't lean to the bar. Stay. Eight more. Stay. Use the stomach. Don't lean back. Try hard. And finish down. Okay, quick shake it out. your leg is too weak, okay? Otherwise, you do adagio, it won't be good. You gotta build up the muscles, okay? This is ballet muscle. You cannot get this muscle from a gym. You have to really do the ballet muscle, okay? So let's do other side, girls. Come on. Okay, when you feel tired, please bite your lip. Stay there. That's most important time. And passe and front. Stay there. Put your focus on music. And straighten your knee, point your toes. Listen to the music. 8 more counts. Enjoy music. Sing with music. Count with music. And face. Chin your leg back. Keep cross. Keep your knees straight. Keep your toes pointed. More counts. Almost. Right now, down to the side. Chin your leg. Stay there. Be strong. Very good, Vanessa. Stay. Can you make sure your heel forward? Keep your leg turned up. Yes, thank you. Stay there. 4 more counts. Stay. Stay. Heel forward. Rotate your leg. And finish it down. Okay, shake it out. Shake it out. Okay, now better shake it out. Okay. Always think about rotate your leg. Don't just hang there. Okay. Otherwise, you make the muscle wrong muscle. Okay, from your tailbone to the other side, right? You do like this. So tailbone. Okay, right now you use the right muscles. Okay. Okay, girls. Right now we start with a jump. 16 times on first position jump, 16 times on second position jump, and then fifth Sasmon 16 jumps, and second fifth 8 times. Okay, let's do it. Okay, jump on your mat. Make sure protect your heel. Okay. Ready? And 1, 2, 16 times. Use the stomach. Okay, don't relax. 8 more. 朋友靠着把球随便。